While government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies are picking up speed. One of the delegated wonders among crypto resources is Ethereum, highlighted as ETH, which is the local digital currency in view of the stage. With decentralized finance, DeFi, turning into all the rage, calculations and science-supported digital currencies appear to be administering the blockchain world. They highlight shrewd agreement usefulness as well as deal a safe and profoundly secure arrangement of exchanges and exchanging with the elaborate middle people. A wonder creation by Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum is a high-level blockchain project and is generally well known among digital currency lovers, fundamentally because of its nodal position in the realm of cryptographic forms of money. Ethereum 2.0, likewise called Tranquility, ETH 2.0 is the augmentation of Ethereum with added highlights to further develop usefulness in various costs. It is next in line for upgradation in the Ethereum blockchain. Set to be delivered soon, it will have a steady and predictable stage-wise disclosing with market tests and preliminaries to see mass reception and worthiness. ETH digital money is set to be prepared for angular recuperation. The marking for Ethereum 2.0 is constantly flooding. As a forerunner to additional improvement in productivity, the 2.0 will present a sharding strategy to diminish the exchange cost and speed up, including sharding with the existing blend will expand its asset utilization execution incredibly. That will be accomplished by information confirmation among sets of hubs, and each will be liable for checking the information it got. This could increment by an large limit. Moreover, Ethereum 2.0 will start web low-level computing construct in a framework they're calling WASM that would before long supplant EVM, i.e., Ethereum virtual machine permitting a decision from different dialects to compose code to run on the blockchain. In light of our Ethereum cost expectations, a drawn-out increment is normal, and the cost for 2027 might be $8,062.42. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 314.56 according to our ETH coin cost gauge. As indicated by our ETH cost estimate, the coin could cross the $2,000 cost mark toward the finish of 2022. The greatest cost may be around $2,243.172, and the base cost might be around $1,525.357. The typical cost of Ethereum for December 2022 may be around $1,794.538. When 2024 methodologies, we can see ETH resting at the sign of $5,198.05 according to our ETH cost expectations. In this manner, in the event that you exchange Ethereum at the ongoing value, it will provide you with a ton of profits over the long haul. Ethereum Value Forecast 2022. The fresh insight about European venture bank's $121 million computerized bond with the Ethereum network assisted Ethereum's cost with developing dramatically. As of late, ETH/USD confronted a sharp decay in the wake of hitting an untouched high at $4,891.70, yet later, it recaptured the lost energy and crossed the $3,000 cost mark. Notwithstanding, since May, the whole crypto market has been confronting a negative feeling, prompting a critical drop in cost for every one of the resources. According to the ongoing cost force, Ethereum could cross $2,374 toward the finish of 2022. Having seen a monstrous DApp reception that drove the value activity of ETH crypto. Likewise, an update called ETH 2.0 is good to go to send off, which is a further expansion of ETH. According to our conjectures, this will push the organization's versatility to 1,000,000 exchanges each second, moving the blockchain from energy-concentrated POW to POS. The organization is really famous, with various undertakings based on it. Ethereum value expectation toward the finish of September 2022. As indicated by the past execution, Ether's cost is supposed to stretch around $2,000, while the base and normal costs might be $1,900 and $1,950, separately. The Ethereum expectations propose that the Ethereum Union will influence the cost of the token. Ethereum value conjectures for October 2022. In light of the specialized examination, value vacillations may not be exceptionally high during the year-end. The token might exchange at a typical cost of $2,050 for the long stretch of October, while the base and greatest costs are expected to be $2,000 and $2,100. Ethereum value expectations for November 2022. Taking a gander at the Ethereum cost forecast diagram and specialized investigation, it tends to be guessed that the most extreme cost might be around $2,200. Simultaneously, the cost examination additionally proposes that the base and normal qualities might be $2,100 and $2,150. Ethereum estimate for December 2022. Before the year's over 2022, the token could have arrived at the greatest worth of $2,374. According to our ETH cost expectation for 2022, the normal and least costs might be $2,250 and $2,200, separately. Ethereum value forecast 2023. With organizations, coalitions, and local area financing, the market glances back at ETH crypto to perform, arriving at a value level of $2,675, which is very hopeful according to the sticker cost of view, yet without a doubt practical for the not-so-distant future. Ethereum value expectation 2024. With any strategies and guidelines changes, Ethereum might have its portion of cloudy days. Assume Ether crypto holds the help level around a drawn-out moving normal of 200 days solidly. All things considered, purchasers will have more than adequate time and soundness to fashion the following assault mission on the crucial level at $2,809, making it not fall yet play in every case. Ethereum value expectation 2025. According to the most recent news refreshes, specialized overhauls, and ETH cost forecast 2025, we expect numerous associations and incorporations around 2025. This could support the cost of ETH in the crypto market, and it will be all that venture as the cost can stretch around $2,987. According to our Ethereum cost expectation for 2025, on the off chance that the cost faces an inversion, it could exchange around its vital help of $2,542. Ethereum value forecast 2026. Constantly 2026, it would have been quite a while since the market slump, and most cryptos would have tracked down a steady spot for themselves. At this point, the cost of ETH could enlist a critical